There's one thing that remains the same for everyone. We only get so many trips around the sun. Yeah, new day dawns, here we go, and what it holds only God knows. So I guess I better make the most of what I've got. Life is out there waiting, ready or not. It's an open door I'm gonna walk through. I know for sure what I'm gonna do is love with all that's in me. Gonna give, holding nothing back. Gonna pray, 'cause I know that God is listening, and that's a fact. I'm gonna live like there's no tomorrow. Gonna run till the road runs out. Yeah, all we have is here and now, so I'm gonna make it count. Yeah. Gonna slow down, soak it up and take it in, and be quick to show forgiveness like Jesus did. Oh, life is short and that's true. I know for sure what I'm gonna do is love with all that's in me. Gonna give, holding nothing back. I'm gonna pray, 'cause I know that God is listening, and that's a fact. I'm gonna live like there's no tomorrow. Gonna run till the road runs out. 'Cause all we have is here and now, so I'm gonna make it count. Every moment, every minute, every step of every mile. We're only here for a little while, so I'm gonna love. One more time today, my brother Jacob Mills on the guitar. Last Sunday, my dad, Mr. Ron Mills over here. So lonely God is the sin, that's a fact. One more time for Levi today, yeah. And I'm gonna live like there's no tomorrow. Gonna run out till the road runs out. All we have is here and now, so I'm gonna make it count. All we have is here and now. Yeah, make it count. Thank you all so much, Silver Dollar City. We love you. Jesus loves you. We hope to see all of you again soon. Thank you.